Roaming is a very useful feature, allowing you to use other mobile networks while abroad. However, depending on your contract, you might incur extra costs if you're not careful. In this video, I'll show you a few ways to switch it off on the Samsung Galaxy A54, a great mid-range phone which we're reviewing at the moment. The simplest way is just to open your notification shade, click on the Settings button, open the Connections menu, go to the Mobile Networks, and there you can toggle data roaming on or off. If you have more than one SIM card, as in this case, you can control both based on the names you have assigned for each card. It's really handy if one of your devices has better roaming rates. If you want to find that menu faster, you can go to Settings, press the search button and search for data roaming. You'll get to the same menu as before. If you just type roaming and go to the first option, you'll go to the SIM card status and it will just tell you if roaming is on or off for both SIM cards, but you won't be able to change anything there. I'd like to tell you that there are faster ways to do this. Unfortunately, there's no custom button to add to the notification shade to allow you to do it quickly. It's not available here, but since you shouldn't have to do it often, it's not a big problem. However, you can go to the notification shade and disable mobile data there, which will have the same effect while abroad. You'll just have to remember to switch it back on when you're back from holidays. I also wanted to suggest using Bixby, but even though it understood me, it was completely useless here. Switch roaming off. Switch roaming off. No, I didn't want to find out about notifications. Thanks, Bixby. Turns out the AI is not taking over just yet. So that's it for this quick how-to video. Just remember to go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks and control it there. If you found this video useful, leave us a like and make sure to subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks to see more videos from us. But for now, thanks for watching.